Okay, so 22nd of January 2021, just before the market open. So in the pre-market again on the 10-second chart of FTSE Cash. Just waiting for this. It's moved down the market from 6,711 down to just around 6,700. Around about those key milestone points, 6,700, 6,800, and obviously 6,000 or 7,000. There are a lot of positions that are automatically placed, not exactly at those levels. Sometimes they are actually, they are more key or more, they're around those specific numbers more than the 50, the 6,750 or the 6,850. So the more that we bang on 6,700 or plus and minus a little bit, but I guess at this stage the traders are trying to sort of hedge their bets and put things either side of the 6,700 so that they've got their positions covered adequately. So just trying to watch this. It's the penultimate 20 seconds before the market opens, in the last 10 seconds now, and waiting to see what happens. Is it going to go down violently through the 6,700 mark? And it will have to go quite deep. I'll have to pierce it and go quite deep for it to continue travelling. 6,690 is not going to be enough. It's definitely not going to be enough. Otherwise, this will act as a fulcrum and probably pull back again. Because either side plus or minus 10 tends to be the sort of danger zone. Once you're out of that, whether you're at 6,750 or 6,700, once you're plus or minus 10 above or below, probably it will continue its trend down or up depending on how it approached that price. So it's gone down. It hasn't gone down with a huge amount of force. Typical for a Friday. If you've watched one of the previous videos, Fridays are a little lackluster compared to some of the other days. 6,690, but it doesn't really want to go down. What you're watching is the tug of war between the buyers and sellers. So got a position in there, but put the stop loss in. Really important. Just about enough breathing room, but let's see what happens. No, it's taken us out. But it's taken us out for a reason. I think it's not going to go down. Look, you can see every time it touches 6,688, there's something there. There's a lot of things there. So that suggests it's look, it just can't do it. It just can't do it. So the indicators would say there's potentially an opportunity to go to the upside. Okay, every time it tries to go down, it comes up with more force than it goes down with. After a while, you get a bit of a way of reading this. It's a bit like reading the traffic when you're driving. The more you do it, the better you are at being able to make sense of what's in front of you. Let's face it, ultimately, this is just up and down. So the reading of this is pretty clear. It's trying to go down, it just can't. So that's the opportunities to go to the upside. And you can do that. It's not going to suddenly go down. It's very unlikely to suddenly go down when it's tried for the last sort of 20 seconds or so and just couldn't do it. So you've got a relatively risk-free trade there. Okay, so stop loss in again, represented by that red line, and let's see what happens. It's very annoying if it takes us out again, but it's not like we got taken out and then suddenly it went down, which is really irritating, but it happens sometimes. Okay, we're in a decent amount of profit now. I think for a Friday, 100 quid plus is probably quite good. So we'll probably just take it round about there.